Andy. Let's go camping today. We are leaving in an hour.
What? Seriously? We're leaving in an hour? Sometimes you have the need for a lot of power, but it doesn't have to be heavy and bulky. This P15 portable power station with 1,000 watt-hour power storage can charge 90 iPhones. With e-speed charging technology, the P15 can get to an 80% charge in just an hour, which is 3 times faster than similar products. And all you need is a power cord, no adapter required. You are free to go anywhere in just an hour. Now that's a lot of power. Listen, can you hear anything? Nope. The copper vacuum tube cooling technology with dual silent fans minimizes its sense of existence. What's remarkable is how much power it stores in its compact size. So grab your P15, pack some beer, and hit the road. Hey! You may never have thought about bringing these household appliances outside, but with the P15, nothing is impossible. Believe me, the P15 is a powerful energy monster. With the extra battery and solar charging, you're sure to never run out of juice. I really mean it. With 1,500 watts of power, it can meet the demands of complex outdoor environments and power high energy consumption appliances. Do you think that's all? Let's explore a little bit more. I've said it quite a few times, but you only need to remember one thing. You ought to own a P15.